Hello wildlings, today it's a beautiful day here out in Lithuania forest. We have the sun shining, as you can see here, the light being scattered through the treetops. It's very beautiful, and our snow is melting. We've got about 1 degree out here in this forest, a bit warmer in the city. Still pretty nice. It's quite quiet actually out here. I haven't heard any birds or small mammals scurrying around. Nothing, just maybe humans shouting as usual. But just look how pretty it is today. Yeah, nature is awesome.